All right, SOFI update here on the 12th. So we did indeed make a lower low today, which invalidates this being a first wave. We know now that that is not a first wave. And going back to what I had said in previous videos, if we do make a lower low, we're going to be creating a bullish divergence. What's great about this, going back to what I said in the last video, what's great about this is we have never had RSI this low before in the history of the company. So the fact that we're coming down here, we weren't able to make a new low, but price was able to make a new low. What does that mean? It means you should be buying the heck out of anything down here. If these guys want to manipulate it down to 16, 17, 18, 19, whatever, buy. Just buy until you can't buy anymore, because you're going to make a bunch of money. And yeah, it is kind of annoying. I'm sure everybody else is annoyed too that we've gone straight down from earnings and they're bringing it to new lows. They won't let it bounce. It's honestly complete nonsense. The whole market's nonsense right now. But anyway, little spiel on that, how I feel. But the one thing I do know is I hope they bring it to 17, 18, 19 bucks. I'll be buying more, and I'm going to make, I'll probably make 50% once they have to bring it back up to 25 bucks. They're going to have to bring it back up here. It can't just keep on going down forever. And we're going to make a bunch of money. So get ready to make a bunch of money down here. Buy down here. And I really don't even need to go over the chart. I'm going to go over it, but you can see that it's annoying to me too, watching this price action. Let's go down to the 15-minute time frame. This is a count that I was looking at, and I think it makes a lot of sense now that we have made a new low. So now that we made a new low, let's draw a parallel line from here to there. This right here looks like 5 waves. And then you get this ABC move, you get another ABC move down here. I think this makes sense that this is a first wave and a second wave. And then you can see here, where do we hit? Right there. So that would make this 1, this 2, this 3. We bounce. I have this as A or 4. It can go either way here, to be honest. It really depends on if we bounce here or not. This can go like that, or it can go like that. Out of the two possibilities, I think it makes the most sense we go down farther, to be honest. Because let's go down to the 5-minute. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third wave. Fourth wave. If we do the math of where we're at, this was $1.83. This third wave would be about $1.70. We're looking at something between $1.70 and $1.83 lower from here. It doesn't have to go that low. I'm just saying that's be the same equal length. You'd be looking at something down around basically $17.50 to 18 bucks. So you need to be prepared for $17.50 to 18 bucks. Right in there, if it is a 5-wave move. If you look at the length of the first wave, it was 32.84 to 25.71. That's about $7.13. 30.46 to 19. That's $11. So you're looking at about $7 lower. It's probably not going to go that low. That's 15 bucks. So based on this, I would say it could go down to 18 or 17.50 tomorrow if we make a 5th wave lower. So if that were to happen, then that would be the overall A wave. So we'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 A. And why did I say buy down here? You would potentially have bullish divergence, and you'd be looking at a B wave that would be retracing. Let's say we go down to 18 bucks. Retracing to a minimum of 22.65 all the way up to potentially $29, probably not. I would say maybe 26. So somewhere in this range right here, you're going to be retracing that. So that's why I'm saying you're buying the heck out of this stock right here. Because you're punishing the manipulators, whoever's shorting the stock. You're punishing them by you're actually beating them at their own game. Because you're buying down here, and you're going to get all that money back when it goes from 18, 19 bucks all the way up here to 25 bucks. And look at that, you just made 40%. So potentially a B wave up here. The only part that sucks about that is we would have to come down again. And on that, I don't really have a level I'd be looking at. It could be a short C wave. One thing I was thinking about yesterday was, and I commented on one of the comments here, we could be right here, getting ready to bottom. We bounce back up like this, and then we get one more move down like that, and then we're ready to go. So again, it might not even go that much lower. This went about the 1.4 fib. So that would be like right around like 15 bucks. So let's just go ahead and let's say we go down to 18 bucks and 15. You're looking at a retracement of potentially up here to 27 bucks. I would say 23 to 27 bucks. So yeah, it doesn't look that good, especially since we broke the low today. But overall, you should be buying here. Go back to what I said at the very beginning of the video. Bullish divergence. Are they really going to bring it down lower than the lowest RSI ever? Is that really going to happen? I mean, we're already down. We're down 40% in the last month. So you have a lot going for you buying the dip here. I don't know how far the retrace will be, but I would say at least $23. So anyway, that's what I see right now. We are definitely not in a fourth wave anymore, unfortunately. That took it all away because we broke this low. So we'll see what happens. That's my update for now. Buy down here. Buy with everything you got. All right, that's it. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.